Good day everyone, welcome to another episode of Unboxing RC Vehicle Scale Model. Alvin here behind the camera, welcoming you back to Mahal Kita RC. Welcome to all of you who have just tuned into my channel for the very first time. Today's RC vehicle is a 1981 1/10 scale model of Range Rover. This is fully licensed by Land Rover. And to me, this RC model looks very nice when I saw it at a hobby shop, and I was very eager to get one for myself. This is made by Carisma. I haven't tried this chassis before, SCA-1E, but hopefully it will impress me sometime soon. Alright guys, let's get this out of the box. I'm so excited to see this one again. This is the last, apparently the last item in the shop, so most of the most of the sticky tape are already oh, okay, we'll put this one like this. Most of the sticky tape already taken, but hopefully it looks like it's still very pristine, so I wouldn't worry about this. I'm pretty sure this is a brand new RC. Well, firstly, let's see what's in this box. What is in this box is a bumper. I hope you can see this one on your screen. Whoa, there is already 4 pieces of AA batteries included in the pack, some accessories, some hex wrench, and the manual, quite thick manual, I like it. Let's see what's inside this one. There's a few accessories inside. Let me check this one first. There's another one here. I think this is the bumper for the rear, if I'm not wrong. Let's check this out, what's inside this pack. So, oh, it's so good of them to include this sorry about that one, guys. To include this, I don't know what this one is for. Oh, it looks like a very tiny charger by the looks of it. This is the charger, I suppose. The manual is quite thick. Loads of pages. Okay. The good thing is they include the battery for the transmitter, I suppose. I don't know what this one is for. That one is the side mirror. I like when a model has got a side mirror included in a box. That's one thing I like about this model, is the side mirror that comes with it. And then there's also sorry, I'm talking about side mirrors and I'm showing you another stuff. Sorry about that one, guys. But here it is, the remaining accessories in that plastic bag. So I'm not so much interested in this one. I'll put this away. Let's grab this. Okay, can't wait to see this car. And here, I suppose, I think they protected the here is the transmitter. Here is the transmitter. Oh, I like this transmitter, guys. It's quite big. Very, I suppose I think it's very ergonomic as far as my handling is concerned. And it's got a handle here. Oh, this one looks like an. Oh, all right. Some necessary features here. Basic ones. Steering trim, throttle trim. Got what's this one? On and off switch, I suppose. Power. I don't know which button is this one. The steering reverse, throttle reverse, I suppose. This one's here. These two switches. And this one is it says FTN key. I don't know if it's a bind key or something. And I like 4AA battery for this one. And it looks very big, guys. I like the transmitter. Okay, guys. Oh my goodness. This is the one I'm waiting for. I love this model, guys. It looks like it's not fastened in the box. Not fastened in the... That's what I was talking about. I think somebody would have already cut the ties here, because it's supposed to be sitting on a cardboard. So I wouldn't be surprised if I don't know. I hope they didn't put it on display, because it says on their website this is the last item. So I expect my brand new car to be fastened on a cardboard, but this one is already loose. So for that, -1 point, because I wanted my RC to be really fastened on a cardboard so I can tell it's brand new. But this one is loose. So -1 point for the seller. Let's see. Wow. Guys, can you see it? Let me take off this plastic cover, guys. Let me take off this plastic cover. Alright, guys. There's another accessory here, the decals. Okay. When I first saw this model, guys, I really love it. You know what makes me interested about this model? It's got already an LED light bucket ready. You can see there. And of course, the Range Rover badge. Very nice details there at the front. The grills. Look at the grills. The bumper. And it's not too bad, guys. Wow. This chassis doesn't look very cheap. I mean, it's not really cheap. It's not really that cheap, but it's not very expensive. But I like the chassis, guys. I like the chassis. Well, guys, look. Ta-da! Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. What happened? This one doesn't fit properly. Well, this one looks like oh, the other one has got this spacer. I put the spacer here. Oh man. Look at that, guys. Look at that, guys. What happened to you? Well, you look like very awkward. Looks like let me position this one first, guys. I don't know why the chassis look very awkward. One side is looks like tilted to one side. Looks very awkward. I don't know what happened, but let me put this one back. Put this one back. Where is it? Yeah. Okay. You can see, guys. Looks like tilted towards the right. What happened, guys? But I'll figure out later. For the time being, look at the truck, guys. Did you see it? Wow. I don't know what they're doing, why this one is tilted to the side. But guys, look at this face, guys. And when that side mirror here is attached, it will look nicer, guys. When I saw this one on at the hobby shop, I really said to myself, I get this one. It's not very popular as the truck says, guys, but oh, I like it. I like this one, guys. I just don't know why it's tilted to the side. Oh my goodness, 11 minutes already. Just give me a few minutes, guys. Let me figure out what happened. Why this one is tilted to the side. So it's like that. Why this one is tilted to the side? Okay, why are you tilted to the side, hey? Why are you tilted to the side? Is it because of your suspension? Hey. Okay. Looks like one suspension is extended, one is retracted. Okay, something's wrong, guys. What's wrong with you? Why are you tilted to the side? My goodness. Guys, I like it. I just need to figure out why this one is tilted to the side, guys. Look at that. This is a 1/10 scale crawler. Look at that, guys. My goodness. Better. Oh. Guys, do you like it? I like the Range Rover, guys. License. Every time I buy something, a model, I make sure. I think I only bought the copycat once. But this one is licensed, guys. I like it. Alright, guys. If you have an idea why this guy is tilted, let me know. Leave your comment in the comment section, and then you would help me, and I would appreciate it very much, guys.